Okay, so we're on the Internet Experience mini project here, and you'll see the directions there. And we're going to build this here. So just a reminder for how you would share it with each other if you need to, so that way you can work all in the same graph itself. So go ahead and go down to yours. You can rename it. Open, go to the add-ons, and therefore that whole protocol. But let's say you're up here and you have a new document getting ready. Let's just go ahead and make a blank diagram for this purpose. Let it load. So again, if you see those screens, don't worry about it. It's totally fine. What I would always get in the habit of doing first is one of you should always rename it. So let's name this Internet Experience, and then let's say I was in Group M, if there was a Group M. Cool, I named it already. What I want to do is I want to go up here to Share. So I'm going to click Share, and I'm going to click Add Collaborator. You'll notice it says this right here. Instead of putting your emails and then having to go to that, we're just going to go to Get Shareable Link. So go ahead and click on that. You'll see it says here, anyone with the link can edit and share. That's what you always want. We want that one so we have access and everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to left click that. Make sure it's set there. I'm going to copy the link. So I'm going to left click that and it says copied. Then the one person who has done that, I'm going to come over here. And in my group slide, I'm just going to hyperlink this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight link here. I can right click if I'm using the mouse and go down to this thing that says link. And then I will right click and paste it. And boom, it's there. Awesome. So then anyone in your group, your family who's working on it, can just simply click here, go to it. The chart's there. You guys can work on it there together very easily. So one person needs to do that, but again, it's a very quick way for us to be able to work together on this. And again, you can do anything and everything, just read the prompts, but that's a very quick way for us to work on LucidChart together and really create things and make it fun. So have fun, good luck. Any questions? You know where I am.